Hello children, class 7th exercise 11.2 question 6th. DL and BM are the height of the side AB and AD respectively of parallelogram ABCD figure 11.24. 11.24 का क्या का है? BM is the height and DL is also the height on the side BM AD की साइड में and DL is AB के साइड में and this shape is a parallelogram. If the area of the parallelogram is 1470 centimeter square, AB 35 centimeter and AD 49 centimeter, find the length of BM and DL. We have to find the length of BM and DL. What is given? They have given us area of parallelogram, area of parallelogram दिया हुआ that is 1470 centimeter square, AB 35 centimeter, A और B कितना दिया है 35 centimeter, AD 49 centimeter, AD कितना दिया है 49 centimeter and we have to find BM and DL. These two things we have to find. तो first area दिया है तो I will take help of area of parallelogram. The formula to find the area of the parallelogram is base into height. Now area of parallelogram is given 1470 centimeter square. Now I will take this base B. मैंने AB base लिया है, AB is base तो height is DL. अगर AB base लिया है तो height is DL. तो AB is given 35 and we have to find the DL. Now this will come this side, it will be divide to DL. I will find the DL. Now cancellation with the table of 5. 5 2s are 10, 4 5 9s are 45, 2 4s are 5 7s are. Now 7 1s are 7 4s are and 1 carry 7 2s are. So the DL is equal to 42 centimeter. We got the one side. Now another I will find in the same way only. I will take again. Now base will be base I will take now this time AD base I will take AD into if AD base लिया है तो height this will be MB. अगर base AB लिया था तो height DL थी. Now the base is taken AD तो height is MB. The height is AD. Base MB and we have to find the MB also. Formula area of parallelogram. Area is given 147. AD is given 49 and MB we have to find again the same way. Here it is multiply, 49 will become here, it will be divide, 49 will be go by in the table of 7, 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 7 1s are 7 zeros are, again 7 1s are 7 3s are and 0. So MB is equal to 30 centimeter. This is your final answer. If you like this video, subscribe, share. Thank you, children.